Evidence-based practices, EBP, also called scientifically based practices, are teaching strategies or methods that have been tried and tested. Through a series of experiments, these practices have been proven effective in multiple settings with a large number of subjects. Such experiments have usually been published in peer-reviewed journals, which indicates that a team of experts in a particular topic have questioned and critiqued the research until it's proven to be scientifically effective. Federal law now requires the use of evidence-based practice in public education, as these methods and strategies are proven to yield positive results. In 2001, the federal No Child Left Behind Act was passed, detailing a plan that would improve education in all schools for all students. This was the first time teachers were required by law to implement scientifically based practices in their classrooms. In the past 15 years, curriculum has been rewritten as teachers and students have been held to higher standards. The Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, of 2004 goes one step further in specifically requiring the use of evidence-based practice in special education. Students with disabilities need to receive effective, scientifically based instruction to help them reach their potential. IDEA requires special educators to use sound research in selecting methods and strategies to use in their classrooms. As students with disabilities often have specific and unique needs, this can be particularly challenging for teachers. One strategy does not fit all. By using strategies that have been scientifically proven to be effective in special education, teachers are setting up their students for success. Let's look at this in terms of an actual classroom. Ms. Jennings, a first-year special education teacher, has 10 students with autism in her classroom. They each have individualized education plans, IEPs, that include goals in reading, math, behavior, and social skills. Each student is on a different level, and each responds differently to Ms. Jennings' instructional strategies. If their daily instruction was left to Ms. Jennings to plan on her own with little experience, a lot of time would be wasted as she figured out what is best for each student through trial and error. This is where it becomes necessary to use evidence-based practices. Understanding the importance of using techniques that have been tried and tested with students with autism, Ms. Jennings implements the following strategies. Modeling. Before students are left to complete an assignment or task, Ms. Jennings models exactly what she wants them to do multiple times. Reinforcement. Rather than being punished for inappropriate behavior, Ms. Jennings tries to catch her students being good and delivers positive praise as much as possible. Self-management. Ms. Jennings wants to help her students be independent in their own management. For this reason, she has them complete their own reward chart to help them visualize if and when they are earning a reward for their behavior. Task analysis. When Ms. Jennings teaches a skill, she breaks it down into short, simple steps that are easy to follow and remember. Picture Exchange Communication System, PECS. For the students in her class that are nonverbal, Ms. Jennings implements the PECS, a systematic practice that allows students to communicate using pictures. Using these strategies, Ms. Jennings is able to quickly set up a routine in which each student gets exactly what they need to meet their goals. Evidence-based practices are strategies that have been tested multiple times and approved by various experts in a particular field. Teachers in public education are required to implement evidence-based practices in their classrooms, including in special education settings. Such strategies have been scientifically proven to work for students with a variety of disabilities and include modeling, reinforcement, self-management, task analysis, and picture exchange communication systems, PECS, a systematic practice that allows students to communicate using pictures. When teachers use evidence-based practices rather than relying solely on their own knowledge and expertise, they give their students the very best chance of success.